We have different types of RAM available. RAM is available in different types. Example DDR, DDR2, DDR3 and DDR4. So this DDR version like DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, this DDR version depends on the the size of chip size. Okay, if you see here, we have multiple RAMs: DDR, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and each RAM is having the chip. So DDR is having the bigger chips. DDR2 is having smaller than DDR. DDR3 having the chips which are smaller than DDR2. DDR4, these chips are smaller than DDR3. So this version depends on the chip size. So DDR2 has bigger chip. This DDR2, it is having the bigger chips than DDR3, whereas it is smaller than DDR1. And DDR4 has smallest chip. You can see here. And this DDR4 is faster than all the versions and it consumes less power. Okay, so DDR1 RAM has 184 pins. If you see these pins, it is having 184 pins which consumes 2.5 volts of electricity. Whereas DDR2 RAM has 240 pins and it consumes 1.8 volts of electricity. DDR3 RAM has 240 pins which consumes 1.5 volts. DDR4 RAM has 288 pins and it consumes 1.2 volts. So different RAM type has notch at different place. So guys, if you observe here, the notch, this is called as notch. So this DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, they have notch at different places. Let me take you back. If you see here, DDR is having the notch here. DDR2 is having the notch here. DDR3, it is having the notch here. Whereas DDR4 is having the notch here. Okay. So each RAM has notch at different place. All RAM types can't be installed on the same slot. So you can see it is having the notch at different place and you can't install all the RAMs on the same slot. Slot should be compatible with RAM.